Troubleshooting Roku Wi-Fi connection issues. Having trouble connecting your Roku to Wi-Fi? You're not alone. Let's walk through some common causes and how to fix them. We'll cover everything from basic checks to more advanced settings. First, restart your Roku and your router. Unplug both devices, wait about a minute, then plug them back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure your Roku is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Walls and other obstructions can weaken the signal. Try moving the Roku closer to the router temporarily to see if that helps. Let's dive into some more technical solutions. Start by checking your DNS settings. Sometimes using a public DNS server like Google's can improve connectivity. You can find DNS settings in your Roku's network configuration menu. Try manually setting your DNS to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Roku devices typically work best on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. If you have a dual-band router, make sure your Roku is connected to the 2.4 GHz network. Also, check your router's compatibility with Roku. Some older routers may have issues. Consider updating your router's firmware or replacing it if necessary. Interference from other devices can disrupt your Wi-Fi signal. Keep your router away from microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and other electronics. As a last resort, try a factory reset. This will erase all your settings, so use it cautiously. You can usually find the factory reset option in the Roku settings menu under System. After a factory reset, you may need to manually configure your network settings. This involves entering your Wi-Fi password and other details. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If problems persist, contact Roku support or your internet service provider for further assistance.